Go! Bini!
I feel good.
Ang mundo ay nagniningning kapag ikaw ay kapiling may dalang hiwaga ang iyong pag-ibig. Tila ba't ay nadhana, oh nana. Ikaw at ako ay para sa isa't isa. Pag ikaw ay nandyan, para bang ang lahat ay gumagaan. Di mapigilan ang aking nararamdaman. Yeah, feel good, wag na wag nang mahihiwalay. Di ko maintindihan, feels like a rainbow in the sky. Oh, I feel good pag hawak mo ang aking kamay. I'm in paradise, oh I'm in paradise. Ooh, 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 ooh. Para bang nasa ulap, ikaw ang pinapangarap. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ikaw ang nasa isip, laman ng panaginip. Aking mundo ay nagbago na simula nung makilala ka. Tila ba't tinadhana, oh nana. Ikaw at ako ay para sa isa't isa. Bakit daw ay nandyan, para bang ang lahat ay gumagaan. Di mapigilan ang aking nararamdaman. Yeah, feel good, wag na wag nang mahihiwalay. Di ko maintindihan, feels like a rainbow in the sky. Oh, I feel good pag hawak mo ang aking kamay. I'm in paradise, oh I'm in paradise. Ooh, 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 ooh. Para bang nasa ulap, ikaw ang pinapangarap. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ikaw ang nasa isip, laman ng panaginip. I feel good.
Good. Wow.
I feel
Feel
good.
good. I feel good every time that I'm with you. Ayaw kumalas ang aking pagtingin sa'yo. Ayaw na mahiwalay kahit na panghababoy na mag-iintay.
Oh wait! Di na pala makapaghintay. Sabik na sa iyong pag-ibig. And our emotions start to get real. Oh boy, I love how you make me feel, yeah. Parang di ka panipaniwala. Si Cupido ang puso ay pinana. Pag ikaw ay nandyan, lahat ay gumagaan. Yeah. Di mapigilan ang aking nararamdaman. Feel good, wag na wag nang mahihiwalay. Di ko maintindihan, feels like a rainbow in the sky. Oh, I feel good pag hawak mo ang aking kamay. I'm in paradise, Ooh, 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 ooh. Para bang nasa ulap, ikaw ang pinapangarap. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ikaw ang nasa isip, laman ng panaginip. I feel good. Na 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 na.
Hello, hello, and welcome to Rappler Live Jam. I'm your host, Nina Liu, and tonight with us live here in the Rappler Newsroom are none other than the ever-blooming girls of Bini. Hello, girls! Would you like to introduce yourselves before we begin?
2, 3.
Mabuhay!
Hi everyone, I'm Bini Gwen.
I'm Bini. I'm Aloy.
I'm Colette.
Hi, Rappler. I'm Stacy.
What's up, guys? It's Mika.
Hi, I'm Aya.
Hi, it's Joanna. Hi, I'm Sheena.
And we
are
Bini!
And we. Hi.
Okay, again, so welcome to Rappler Girls. Thank you so much for being here. And if you can't tell, super, super excited kami that you're here. And I'm curious actually, just before we begin, how does it feel performing in this kind of setup? Because siguro throughout the years, medyo nasanay na kayo na the crowds you've been performing in front of are obviously very bigger than our setup here today. So how does it feel playing a more intimate space?
Actually, mas nakakakaba po yung ganito.
Totoo.
Para kasing sobrang lapit po. Tapos, hindi po namin alam. May part po kasi sa amin na mas madali talagang mag-belt or abutin yung note na yun kapag sumasayaw. Siguro kasi nasanay na kami. So, mas challenging po sa amin na nakaupo lang. Kasi,
Bakit mas iisipin mo yung kanta talaga?
Oo.
Whereas pag sumasayaw.
Yeah. And sa sayaw po kasi, kumakanta din po kami ng mga harmonies po kahit sumasayaw, pero hindi lahat. Pero ngayon po, buong song po talaga, kinanta namin lahat ng harmonies po. And kanina lang po kami nag-training. Bye, Coach
Grabe ka
Aina!
Yes, fresh from Japan.
Hindi naman halata the nerves, hindi halata yung kaba. I mean, you girls definitely brought the energy. First song pa lang yon. So speaking of our first song, very fitting yung title niya kasi it's called I Feel Good. Do you wanna tell us a little about this song?
Sorry, chinichika po kasi.
Sorry po.
Ano lang, a little background about I Feel Good.
Okay, yung background about I Feel Good, actually sobrang, isa po to sa favorite naming songs kasi sobrang, from the title itself, I Feel Good. We feel great every time that I'm with you. And we love the song so much kasi talagang parang, ewan ko, parang yung for me, yung vibe na nakukuha ko sa kanya, parang lagi ako nakasmile pag pina-perform ko siya.
Tingin ng smile.
Feeling ko rin after ng show na to, ang sakit na ng cheeks ko. Kasi the energy, everyone. If you're here in the room, super good vibe. So we're here for it. So speaking of which, 2023 has actually been such a good year for P-pop acts like yourself. We've had a couple of groups actually on the show throughout the year. And in general, ang daming bagong groups, ang daming bagong songs, ang daming international recognition that comes along with it. You girls came from Australia? Last week ba yun?
Yeah.
Let's go!
Yeah.
Wow! So, obvious naman na the reach has been extending outside of the Philippines pa. So, why do you think P-pop has gotten so much attention or recognition recently?
I think lately din po, thank you because madaming ng mga P-pop groups na nabuo and because of that, ang dami na ding naging aware of P-pop groups and the song that we create, how much love we put into our craft. So, sana ipagpatuloy lang po and sana suportaan nila, hindi lang kami, pero lahat. Kasi sama-sama naman lahat na to rise up.
And siguro, big part na rin nung rise ng P-pop, of course, are the dedication of the fans.
Yes.
Ibang level, right?
Example.
Like our
oh,
blue
right?
here. Yeah.
Yeah, so for those who are watching online, we actually have some blooms here in the studio who were really dedicated and wanted to see the girls live. And of course, no P-pop act is complete without their respective fans. So I'm sure throughout the years, you girls have had a lot of memorable moments with your blooms. Any interesting particular memory na touching that comes to mind?
Blooms, alis muna kayo.
Kami muna to.
Oh, Gwen.
Hala, ako kasi yung una kong naalala talaga yung sa anniversary namin. Yun nga, yung sa ice skating. Oh, gusto ko talaga yun kasi as in sa personal, nakabonding talaga namin sila, nakausap namin sila, nakapag-spend kami, yung parang naglalaro lang, ganun, parang we're just having fun, but at the same time, nakikilala din namin sila. Ayun po.
What about the other girls?
For me, yung album showcase namin. Yeah, because it was just so fun. We were like partying na lang talaga, tapos nagja-jump. And parang we were just having fun with our blooms in front and also our family members. So it was very memorable for us.
All right. Well, a lot of blooms, I'm sure, are tuned in right now online. We're live across all of Rappler's social media platforms. And I think we're trending. Di ko na lang alam kung pang ilan on Twitter, but blooms, let's get that to number 1. But speaking of which, we've been getting questions or comments online. And this one is from ate_TJ. So she asked, in a parallel universe, wherein you may not be a P-pop idol, who do you think you are and what would you be doing for a living?
Who do you think you are? Do you think you are?
Existential yung tanong. I mean, like,
Tagalog.
siguro anong tingin nyo lang, who would you be?
What would
yung
you be?
alternate universe?
You'll be
Yeah.
a journalist.
Ako isa journalist. Like,
Welcome to Rappler.
Rappler, baka na. Sorry. Ay, isa-isa go.
Yeah, pwede.
Me, I think, feeling ko po dancer.
Yes.
Yeah, still a dancer. Pero if work naman, feeling ko I'll pursue doctor. Kung hindi na lang. Kung hindi pa rin. Kung hindi pa rin kwak na lang.
na si
Wali. Dr. Kwakwa.
Ako ba? Ano po, student pa rin siguro and forever student, forever nahabol ng deadlines. Feeling ko ano po ako, gusto ko maging host po kasi or VJ. So I feel like, Yeah.
TV, radio?
Anything. Yes.
Okay, let's get that started.
It's so hard to answer. Pero if I were still in school, I mean, I'm still in school, pero, you know, I would probably take like maybe psychotherapy. Yeah.
Paano raw yun? Sample.
Very relevant. No, very relevant, especially today with the emphasis on mental health. So yeah, cool. What about our girls on the stool?
Feeling ko po, I will just be a normal student with a big heart, with a big dream. And yeah, I feel like I will be a flight attendant.
Wow! Swerte naman ng passengers, no? Very beautiful flight attendant. Ooh!
Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific.
Wow!
Pacific. Pacific. Cebu Pacific. Sorry, Bini Pacific.
Ako po,
Guitarless.
Nag-guitarless. Sorry po, yung joke. Ako po, feeling ko, kung kaya po ng brain at ng soul ko, maglulo po ako.
Hindi, magaling po kasi makipagtalo po.
So ipagtatanggol mo kami. What?
Sige po.
Napilitan.
Ako siguro, estudyante pa rin. Tapos siguro ipupursue ko yung yung pagiging teacher. Oo, teacher.
Music teacher.
Oo.
Tama diba? Music teacher ka.
Hindi.
Ay,
Kahit teacher mo, pwede.
Ako naman po, FA din or kaya yung interior design. Kasi mahilig mag-design.
Patingin, sample ng interior design.
Sample na Okay, well, we've been getting more comments online from your blooms. So Ria Makaladlad says, OMG, my ears are so blessed. Wow.
Wow.
Sabi ni Janine Gale, the harmonies are so clear. May talaga.
Coach Aina.
And then, Dang Kalumba says, grabe style nila today. Ang ganda.
By Ate Aika Villanueva.
Thank you, Saika.
All right, so of course, Blooms, feel free to send in more questions as we go throughout the show. But for now, we're going to our next song, which is Huwag Muna Tayong Umuwi. So before we hear you girls sing it, can you tell us a little bit about this song naman?
Siguro this song is like something you'd want to listen to, or you imagine yourself, it's raining, and then you're with someone, your loved one, romantically, or like kahit friend lang, or baka na friendzone kayo, charot. Ayun, pero parang ini-imagine nyo na you just came from a very fun day, and tapos ayaw yung umuwi, kasi like the title nga, you enjoyed it so much na parang gusto nyo lang namnamin yung moment na yun.
Wow!
And
Wow!
from
And actually, this song po is the official soundtrack of
One of the
official soundtracks of Don Bell's movie, which is An Inconvenient Love. So, yeah, this is very memorable to us. First song
time.
first song. Together with Lagi.
All right, well, we're looking forward to hearing it. So without further ado, here's Beanie with Wag Muna Tayong Umuwi.
Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Dito muna. Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Dito muna. Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Maghapon may naglalakad sa may dalampasigan, saksi ang alon at buwan. Mabibilis ang tibok ng puso tuwing hikay, tumatawa o tumitingin sa aking mata. Kinakabahan na baka gusto mo nang umalis. Hindi ko malaman sasabihin. Huwag muna tayong umuwi, mundo'y tahimik sa iyong tabi. Dito muna, maaga pang ating gabi, naglalaho ang dilim sa iyong ngiti. Dito muna, muna ako. Dito muna, muna tayo. Dito muna, muna. Pwede namang dito muna tayo, hanggang ang langit ay maging kulay kahit dilaw. Habang gumidiing na paa sa buhangin, tumitindi rin ang pangarap na ako't ikaw. Kinakabahan na ba ka? Kinakabahan na ba ka? Gusto mo nang umalis? Gusto mo nang umalis? Hindi ko malaman. Hindi ko malaman kung paano sasabihin. Huwag muna tayong umuwi, mundo'y tahimik sa iyong tabi. Dito muna, maaga pa nating gabi, nalalaho ang dilim sa iyong ngiti. Dito muna, muna ako. Dito muna, muna tayo. Dito muna, muna. Woo! Dito muna, muna. Dito muna, muna. Huwag muna tayong umuwi, mundo'y tahimik sa iyong tabi. Dito muna, muna. Gabi naglalaho ang dilim sa iyong ngiti. Dito muna, muna ako. Ako na tayo. Dito muna ako. Dito muna
And that was Beanie with Wag Muna Tayong Umuwi. If you're just tuning in, we're live here with the girls of Beanie. So I got my facts straight, girls. We're trending number 4 right now. Wow. So to all the Blooms and fans who are tuned in, please continue posting online with hashtag BeanieXRappler Live Jam. Send in those comments. But can I just say, sobrang sweet ng Blooms. Like all the comments, if you can see, the vocals are amazing. Like slay, ang ganda ng girls namin. Such a sweet, sweet fan base. But I have a question na medyo serious. Okay, saktong serious lang naman siya. So we have a running question on the show about artificial intelligence or AI. So some musicians have started to use it to help with writing lyrics or, making their beats, instrumentals. Do you girls have any thoughts on using AI with your art or with your music? Hala, nagtuturo.
Actually, hindi po kami familiar with that.
We actually have that in sa school.
Oh, okay.
But I find it interesting,
Yeah.
actually, because it just shows how, the world is changing nowadays. It helps us in some ways, but for me personally, because we're still used to sticking with writing
Yeah.
with our bare hands, ganun po. So maybe we could consider in the future if it will help us, but for now, we're still sticking with composing it to how we traditionally do it. But it's just interesting how it's something new. Yeah.
Parang kasi now, a lot of artists, even the previous guests we've had on Live Jam, a lot of people are using AI. Parang ipa-prompt, maghihingi siya ng prompt ganyan, ng idea for a song or something. So not necessarily word for word na lyrics. Parang it gives you something to build up on. So would you girls ever consider trying the tool, ganyan?
Siguro if like, I guess it's nice siguro to help you. Because there are really sometimes na parang, alam mo yung, you really can't think of anything.
Yeah.
Siguro as a guide. But not entirely for me. That's for me. Kayo ba?
Ako din parang, same,
Pang-guide.
same thought. Pang-guide lang. Pero actually, literal talaga may mga ganun ng mga songwriters na parang mental block, mawawala ng gana magsulat ng kanta, ganyan. Pero ako naman, yung parang makikinig ka lang din ng music na, kunwari, mag-search ka ng,
Ano yung rhyming word
mo,
naman?
or parang mga ganun. Inspiration
Kasi diba,
lang.
minsan din tayo, example, like, feel ko ikaw din, may, pag magsulat ka, di ba, anong bagay na word next ito?
Yeah.
Siguro yung mga times na ganun, need mo ng help. Siguro, yes.
Siguro pag, kunwari, kailangan mo talagang gumawa ng kanta. Hindi dahil nafe-feel mo lang gumawa ng kanta, kailangan mo talaga ng help nun. Pero siguro kami kasi nagsusulat kaming lahat ng song na as in kung ano yung nafe-feel namin, hindi dahil inoobliga kaming isulat yung songs.
Pero sa mga taong gumagamit, there's nothing wrong with that.
If it works for them, it
Kasi
works.
di namin
Diba?
masasabi, baka naman in the future, di ba? Magamit din namin siya. Talagang wala pa lang kaming idea talaga sa ngayon po doon. Yes.
Okay, well, you touched on your process, your creative process in making your music. So speaking of music, your brand new EP is launching in November. That's next week? Well, November is next week. But your brand new EP is launching exactly when? Would you like to tell the fans?
Surprise
Wala
po.
pa. Surprise! Surprise! All right. Well, our question is, what makes... Itis nyo na lang, if surprise pa. What do you think makes this EP different from your debut album, Born to Win?
Sabi ko sa inyo, Blooms. Go, she.
Yung kaibahan sa...
Yes, with your first...
sa Born to Win album. Dahil po we found our music na hindi na kami lumayo doon, instead in-upgrade na lang namin siya. So, that. Expect an upgraded version of every song that you like from us.
Well, exciting yun kasi makes sense naman na parang you found your strength, so why not just continue to improve yourselves? Okay, so with the upcoming EP, is there anything you would like to manifest na mangyari with your upcoming EP launch? And for the future in general, 2023 patapos na siya, so we're facing a new year. Any good vibes or inspiration you'd like to manifest into the universe?
Minamanifest ko. Tsari! Ako, talaga, maging successful po yung EP. Kasi itong EP na to, talagang naging hands-on po kaming Bini dito from listening session, album concept po, tinutulungan namin. Meron kaming input po. Binigyan kami ng chance po na magkaroon kami ng input po ng management. So, sana talaga po, oh my gosh, may masasabi pa ako. Basta sana po, yun po, minamanifest ko na maging successful po. Kasi itong EP na to, very, talaga siya, very P-pop.
So very personal and special din siguro this album for you, EP for you girls, kasi if you were really hands-on, parang pinanganak niyo siya into the world when it comes out.
We're mothers.
Mothered, slayed. Okay, well, we're coming into your last song. No, we're coming into your last song. But before we get to that, is there anything you'd like to promote or remind our viewers of to look forward to?
Yes, guys, this coming October 21, nasa Bacolod po kami for Mascara Festival. And abangan nyo po, yung ilalabas po namin na songs po. Sana supportahan nyo. Ano pa ba ang mga nasa... Blooms, ano pa yung mga na-post? Bohol! Diba? Kasi minsan mas alam pa po ng Blooms po. October 27 to 30 po, nasa Bohol po kami. Abangan nyo po kami dyan. 3 days yon, ang saya. And...
Next month, Chari.
Yun po.
Ilog po, tabing ilog.
Sana po makabili po kayo ng ticket po. Just visit Tabing Ilog, the musical po, on IG po. Para, po, manood po kayo. Promise po talaga. Yung mga nanay nyo, for sure, alam po yung Tabing Ilog. So, sana, supportahan nyo po. Play po siya, musical play. Sa PETA.
Sinong, mo? Si Eds ka? Wala po. Hindi po.
Grabe naman pag si Ed siya.
I think
Rubik
sino daw-
siya.
sino
Yun ang
ate
plot
Rose?
twist.
Ako pala si Ruby.
Siya si Ruby.
Ayun, actually, girls, we'll see you in Bacolod. Rappler will be going to Bacolod. Oh! Girls there. But speaking of, we're still trending, by the way. So to our blooms, to our fans watching, thank you so much for the support. Do keep posting with our hashtag because up next, we're going to hear their latest song, which is Carrera. Can you tell us more about Carrera? Alam, may nagsasign of the class dito.
Kinakabahan po kasi ako sa kantang yan. Well, ayun nga, Carrera is like, it means race, diba, in English. And it talks about how life isn't a race. You should just slow it down. So it's contradicting to its title. Kasi it's telling you to not compare yourself to other people's spaces in life. Kasi there are a lot of times in life, diba, na we say na, shucks, ano na siya, doktor na siya, tapos ako nandito lang. Pero you shouldn't do that. Take it day by day, baby steps. It's still progress. Small progress is still progress, guys.
At your own pace. Yeah. Right, so we have a question from mjabi_. So sabi niya, doon po sa Carrera music video, may parts na own life stories and breakthroughs yung pinakita doon. Meron po ba sa inyo na naging emotional while doing yung scene niya sa music video? Ano po, ang dami niyang question. Ano po unang naisip niyo noon or naramdaman? Thank you, we love you, our pahinga Bini.
Si Ate Maloy.
Literal na
Maloy.
umiiyak doon. Hindi kasi kailangan talaga sa scene na umiyak. So umiyak ako. Yan lang. Thank you.
Pero may pinaghugutan yung tears.
Something
Actually,
personal.
ano po,
Yung mga
personal
eksena
ano
po
po
namin,
talaga
yes.
namin yun.
Personal
Scene namin
struggles.
nun.
Pero
Personal
syempre,
struggles.
pero tinanong naman po kami if willing kaming i-incorporate po yun
And
sa
if
MV.
comfortable naman daw po
Yes.
kami sa mga gagawin namin.
So yun.
Oh, that's a nice environment then to have when creating. Yeah, I'm happy you girls are surrounded by that kind of energy. Yes. So, what is Carrera's? All of your dances have point dances or key point choreography. Ano yung key point choreography ng Carrera? And ano yung meaning? Ayan, magsasample si Sheena.
Yes!
Okay, so
Main dancer.
sige, let's share what the meaning behind the point dance is before magsample si Sheena.
Ay, sorry po.
What's the
Ano
meaning?
yung meaning or like inspiration behind yung choreo for the point dance?
Inspiration behind choreo po ng Carrera. Well, ang nag-choreograph po ng Carrera po namin is si Coach Riden Blanquera, Coach Mickey Pers, and Coach Adam Alonzo, and Coach Matthew Almodovar. So, sila po yung inspiration. Sila pong apat. Pero po, meron po sa chorus part po na talagang parang word by word po. Anong tawag ito? Sign language. Actually, ang talagang ang talagang choreo po niya, parang ang original, buhay ay di karera, parang ganun. Tapos parang naisip ni Coach Mickey Pers na parang mas in-depth pa yung choreo, para may ma-share din kami in the future, which is today. Today is the future. Gawin po namin siyang sign language para at least makarelate din po yung mga the community.
Should we see sample?
Sample na ako, mag-sample. So, eto po, yung key point is, buhay ay di karera.
So, ano yung meaning nung ganun?
Ito po, it means buhay or life.
Buhay or life.
Buhay or life, and then buhay, ID, ID, karera. I think this is race. ASL.
Life is not a race.
Yes. Carrera. Yes. Tapos pala dito dapat nag-move talaga yung head kasi parang if ito lang daw, wala siyang meaning. I mean, hindi mo may gets ng
Kasi
everyone.
hindi siya, so
kasi
merong-
hindi. So, dapat with the head. So, yun po.
So, para ma-emphasize yung no. Shake mo din yung head. Okay, got it. Okay, well, thank you so much, girls, for being on the show. I hope you had fun. It was a pleasure having you on, and we look forward to having you back. But for now, we are going to hear the last song from Beanie, and this is called Carrera.
Sana'y nahuhuli ang sarili na nag-aalala. Mga bagay na di kontrolado, pinoproblema, pero teka lang. Humahabol sa'yo, di naman dapat patuloy ang pagtakbo. Sino ang nagsabi na kailangan na dapat tumaya, naniwala sa mong tumadaya. Ano nga ba, sino nga ba, ikaw ba o ako ba? Hinalang magbabahala.
Yeah, huwag ka nang maniwala sa paniniwala na dapat makipagunahan sa karera. Kung wala namang karera, dahan-dahan lang, kakayanin mo isa ka lang.
Nagsabi na kailangan paunahin, di naman ito karera. Pwedeng magdahan-dahan sa bawat panibagong umaga. Ang pagsimula muli ay tagumpay na. Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di karera. Dahan-dahan lang, buhay ay di karera. Wala masyadong bakal, wala mabilis sa patakbo ng buhay. Hindi kami mitis, ng malalim lang natandaan. Kaya may hawak